A little ladybug is waiting for her colors. Should we help her?
First, a big round circle for the body. And a little circle for the head.
Two curly antennae on top.
And one line down the middle to make two wings.
Now let's pick our RED marker. Red, red, red.
Hi friends! Welcome back to Tubbi Toons. Today we're drawing and coloring three cute ladybugs and counting all their spots.
Color the wings all the way.
Red like an apple, red like a strawberry.
Let's count them as we draw. 1 spot, 2 spots.
3. 4.
5.
6.
7.
8.
9. 10 spots. Wow, our ladybug has TEN spots. Look at her, a beautiful red ladybug with 10 black spots. Now let's draw another ladybug. This one will be yellow.
Yellow like the sun, yellow like a banana. Let's count her spots too. 1, 2,
3, 4. 5 spots on our yellow ladybug. Red has 10 spots. Yellow has 5. Which one has more?
Our last ladybug is going to be a purple ladybug.
Have you ever seen a purple ladybug? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. A pretty purple ladybug with 3 spots. Look at all our ladybugs! Red, yellow, and purple. Can you count all their spots together? 10 plus 5 plus 3. So many spots! Great job coloring and counting with us today. Which ladybug is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Tubbi Toons. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!